Don't let this incredible opportunity pass you by. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group. This split level layout boasts 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on the upper level, as well as a living room and kitchen that have been recently updated. The lower level is already equipped with a master bedroom, another bathroom, and laundry room, as well as a walkout. The possibilities are endless, with the potential to finish the lower level. Add a kitchenette to make a lockout apartment, create 1 or 2 extra bedrooms, or make an entire second living area. Take advantage of what the sellers have started and turn this split level into your dream home. Call me if you'd like to see this beautiful home.